Effective tenant screening and lease management are essential for reducing risks related to tenant turnover, non-payment, and lease violations. By implementing thorough screening processes and drafting detailed lease agreements, small apartment investors can select reliable tenants, establish clear expectations, and protect their property from potential legal or financial issues. Together, tenant screening and lease management form a proactive approach to fostering a stable tenant base and mitigating risks. Risk mitigation. Screening prospective tenants reduces the risk of renting to individuals with poor credit histories, rental issues, or backgrounds that may lead to payment or behavior problems. Tenant reliability. Evaluating factors such as credit score, rental history, income verification, and criminal background provides insight into a tenant's reliability and ability to meet lease obligations. Tenant stability screening helps ensure a tenant's financial stability and commitment to renting, reducing turnover costs, vacancy periods, and potential disputes. Example: an investor might establish a minimum credit score requirement and check for prior eviction records to avoid tenants with histories of non-payment or lease violations. A detailed lease agreement outlines tenant responsibilities, property rules, rent payment terms, and procedures for handling disputes. Clear terms reduce misunderstandings and make enforcement straightforward. Essential clauses include rent payment due dates, security deposit terms, maintenance responsibilities, pet policies, and procedures for addressing lease violations, including terms for dealing with lease violations such as noise complaints, property damage, or unauthorized occupants, enables property management to act promptly and legally when issues arise. Tenant screening reduces the likelihood of non-payment issues by ensuring that tenants have stable incomes and good credit histories. Lease clauses related to late fees and grace periods further clarify expectations. Screening helps minimize the risk of property damage from irresponsible tenants, and lease agreements can include clauses for maintenance responsibilities and prohibitions on property alterations. Clear lease terms on behavior expectations, such as noise restrictions or guest policies, establish rules that can prevent conflicts between tenants and ensure compliance with property guidelines. An investor might implement a tenant screening process that includes credit checks, rental history verification, income verification, and background checks. This process helps avoid tenants with poor payment records or histories of disruptive behavior, reducing the likelihood of turnover and lease violations.